Right, got my gas. Relaxed a little bit there. Just bought some airtime. I don't know, with MTC my phone, I don't know what, its connection's playing up a little bit. It seems like quite slow to connect and find you again and whatever, but I bought $20 airtime, and then my balance was still saying like the same amount. I don't quite know what that's about. But anyway, because I was incommunicado now for a whole day really with Gibby on, there was zip, so people like saying, what the hell, where are you? And also there's a guy in Gordons Bay. I'm busy trying to sort out accommodation for Cape Town, because that's a different jaw. I'll be there for a month. So I was on Gumtree. Anyway, he's saying like, where are you? You know, so thank God he didn't give the place away. When I get to Bethany, I'll kind of finalize that, or at least make a final decision before Luderitz. The guy at the gas station said, it's just this net he saw me hook. So I think it's probably 100 k's to Blessed Bethany. It's still cool, so maybe Gibby on the area is just hotter, so it still feels quite nippy. I mean cool. 3:35 to Luderitz is not where I'm going. I guess I got to check my, now that I got data, I got to check my maps. But I don't think it'll be too critical. There'll be a sign to the right up to Bethany, which is, I don't know, about 20 k's on that road, north up to Bethany. En daar gaan ek lekker sit. And well, I must do some whatever catch up. See you guys later.